Now we're going to learn about factors, and basically we want to know what is a factor. So a factor is a number that can be divided into another number without having any remainder. So factorizing is the term we use to find the factors of a number. So if I say find the factors of 15, so I'm going to first go with my timetables because this is the most easiest method to go about doing it. So I start with number 1. 1 times what gives me 15? 1 times 15. Can 2 times something to give me 15? No. Can 3 times something to give me 15? Yes. 3 times 5. Can 4 times something give me 15? No. But 5 times something can give me 15. That's 3. Once you start repeating yourself, then that means you've got all the factors already. So I say the factors of 15 are equal to 1, 3, 5, and 15. Another way of saying, instead of saying equal to, I can make a curly bracket. Curly bracket means only these numbers are factors of 15. So if I want to find the factors of 20, I start with number 1. 1 times what gives me 20? 1 times 20. 2 times 10. Can 3? No. Can 4? Yes. 4 times 5. Can 5? Yes. But I already got 5 here, so that means I'm repeating myself. So instead of repeating myself, I go again and say, right, the factors of 20 are, make my curly brackets, I start from this way, and then I go that way. So I say 1, semicolon, 2, semicolon, 4, 5, 10, 20. Do not forget to include the number 15 when you're doing the factors of 15, and 20 when you're doing the factors of 20. And those are how you find the factors of numbers. Now, what happens if they tell me find the HCF? Find the HCF of number 15 and 20. So they want you to find the HCF of 15 and 20. So when you have to find the HCF of 15 and 20, you will do step number 1 and step number 2, which is basically this. So I'll say 15, the factors are 1, 3, 5, 15. Then I'll have 20, the factors of that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Then I say the HCF. HCF just means which number is the most biggest number that's common amongst the two of them. So the highest number that's common, and it has to be a factor between 15 and 20. And that number, 1 is common, but it's not the highest. Is it the highest? No. 3, nope. 5 is common, and it is the highest. So the number is 5. So my HCF is equal to 5. Isn't that quite easy? Now, let me give you an example, and you need to do it yourself. Alright, so you need to find the HCF of 12 and 16. So step number 1 is you first go and find the factors of 12 and the factors of 16. So the factors of 12 is 1 times 12. What's the next number? 2 times 6. Next number, 3 times 4. Then when I start repeating myself, because I say 4 times 3, that means I have all my factors. So my factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Then I do my 16. Factors of 16, 1 times 16, 2 times 8. Can 3? But 4 can. 4 times 4. And 4 is being repeated. So therefore, I got all my factors for 16. And that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 12. Now I need to find HCF. So the HCF is basically which number is the highest number that's common amongst the factors. So 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is not common, 4 is common, and 12 is common. Now many people would have just stopped at 4, but they didn't realize that 12 is also common. So therefore my highest common factor is actually 12. No, 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 no. See, you must be thought, what the heck did I do there? What did I do? Big boo boo. The big boo boo was I wrote 12 here, but it actually was a 16. So my common factor is not 12, it's actually 4. Ah, sorry, these things happen all the time.